In this video, I'm going to show you how I fixed the leak in this bathroom sink made by Kohler. Whenever we would turn on the hot water, water would leak out the handle right here. This means you need to replace the stem, which is located inside the cylinder. On the left side is the old stem, on the right side is the new one that we ordered off of Amazon. The first thing you want to do is go under your sink and make sure you shut the water completely off. Next, check the water to make sure it's completely off. It's okay if the cold side is on. That won't interfere, but make sure that the hot side is completely off. Then you're going to need a very small Allen screwdriver. I'm using this one by Faucet. It's TR8. Now remove the small Allen screw that's holding the handle in place. There may be two. Once the screw is out, you're definitely going to have to wiggle the handle a bit to get it off. Now you want to take some type of vice grip to take the base off. Then you want to take your vice grips again and take the second piece off, which covers the stem. Take your time. I had already loosened mine up, so it looked easy, but trust me, it may take some time. Now you're ready to take the stem out. You're going to need to wiggle it for quite a while to really work it out. Because it's the hot water side, it's probably corroded in there pretty good. But once you get it out, you're good to go. Now we're ready to add the new stem, which we ordered from Amazon. The link is down in the description. It was very affordable, less than $20. Now we're ready to place our new hot water stem back into the spout. Wiggle it a bit, make sure you get it in there really good so that there are no gaps. Now we can put the top back on, nice and snug, but not too tight. And of course you can use your vice grip to tighten it, but just so it's nice and snug. You don't want to crack it. And the same goes for the larger base. Use your hand to tighten it, and then a vice grip just to make sure it's on there really snug. Add your handle, turn the water back on, and then give it a turn. Let the water run for a while, and voila, there we go. No more water coming out of the handle. I hope this video helped you as much as the other YouTube video helped us when we were trying to fix our sink. Drop us a like, and if you're into plant-based living, subscribe to the channel. Peace.